Salesforce just replaced 4,000 customer service workers with one AI agent
4,000? Wait, when?
last month. The CEO, Mark Benioff, he actually bragged about it.
Bragged.
Yeah. Said he went from 9,000 human agents down to 5,000. Just think about that. One AI doing the work of 4,000 actual people.
Those people had families, they had mortgages, bills, and now they've just got nothing.
It gets much worse. Far worse. Dario Amodei, he's the CEO of Anthropic, right? The guy's building this stuff.
What about him?
He predicts 50% of all white-collar, entry-level jobs gone by 2030. Lawyers, accountants, programmers, analysts.
Hold on, 2030, that's 5 years. That's nothing. Your boss has already decided to replace you with ChatGPT. They are firing entire departments overnight. This isn't some far-off sci-fi thing, it's right now.
Listen to this story. Priya Nambiar, an MIT graduate, smart kid, she sent out 400 applications.
400, wow.
Yeah, for jobs listed as entry-level. Every single one wanted 3 years of experience. And every interview, same story. We've decided to go in a different direction.
Let me guess the direction.
An AI. Costs maybe $20 a month. Doesn't need health insurance. Never asks for a raise.
That's my job they're wiping out. That's what's happening to you listening right now. Your job is next on the chopping block. A machine right now is being trained to do exactly what you do every day.
Exactly. Your skills, your knowledge. It's all being replicated. And the timeline. It's not years away. It's probably this quarter.
We're talking months, not years. Seriously. Look, corporations already dumped 77,999 jobs in the first 8 months of this year.
And they hide it, don't they? They use these euphemisms, restructuring, optimization.
Digital transformation. Yeah, we know what that means.
It means human beings, real people with lives, with families, tossed aside like they're just, outdated software because a machine is cheaper.
And what are people doing? Anything working?
Doesn't seem like it. Take Terrence McBride, 47 years old, worked in IT for 2 decades.
20 years.
His company made him train the AI that replaced his entire department. Can you believe that?
No, they actually had him teach his own replacement.
For 3 months. 3 months teaching the machine his job. Then, 2 weeks severance. He's got 2 kids in college. What's he supposed to tell them? What does he do?
It's brutal. And this isn't just talk, is it? This is real.
It's absolutely real. Happening today. Microsoft eliminated 15,000 jobs this year.
15,000.
While reporting $70.1 billion in record profits. Intel cut 24,000 jobs globally. These aren't companies struggling to survive.
Wait, they actually fired them all just for profit. Microsoft's revenue is UP 13%. They're not struggling.
Exactly. They're choosing machines over people because it boosts the bottom line. It's cheaper, faster. AI doesn't need benefits or complain.
It's a cold calculation, pure profit over people.
Salesforce, 4,000 gone. TCS, that big IT company, 12,000 jobs deleted, mostly middle management.
Middle management.
And IBM erased 8,000 HR positions, replaced by a chatbot.
8,000 HR people replaced by a bot.
One chatbot doing the work of 8,000 humans. The total tech layoffs just this year, let me check, 130,981 workers. Gone. Discarded across 434 different layoff events.
IBM just replaced 8,000 HR jobs with AI last week. You listening, you are probably training your replacement right now and you don't even know it. It's happening.
And Dario Amodei, the Anthropic CEO building this tech, he admits it. He said, quote, most of them are unaware that this is about to happen. People just don't believe it.
He's building the weapon. He's telling you it's aimed at you. And people still, what? They don't believe him.
Remember entry-level jobs? Where you learned the basics, got started?
Yeah, of course. How else do you start a career?
That world is dead. AI killed it. James O'Brien, he's a computer science professor at UC Berkeley.
Okay.
You put it very bluntly. Why hire an undergraduate when AI is cheaper and quicker? The whole bottom rung of the career ladder is just gone, systematically removed.
So junior software devs, paralegals, data analysts, customer service reps, content writers.
HR coordinators, admin assistants, junior accountants, marketing coordinators.
These jobs just don't exist for humans anymore. Not in the same way. The path is just blocked.
Look at Magdalena Kowalski. 15 years as a paralegal. Dedicated. Built expertise.
15 years is a long time.
Her law firm signed up for an AI service. $500 a month.
Okay. Cheap. What did it do?
The work of 8 paralegals. 8.
So Magdalena and 7 colleagues.
Let go. Just like that. The AI doesn't complain about working 80 hours a week, Doesn't need vacation time. Doesn't ask for a raise.
And you see this everywhere. San Francisco, 80% of entry-level jobs now demand at least 2 years of experience.
That's not entry level.
Exactly. They eliminated the entry point. One CEO actually admitted using ChatGPT instead of hiring a summer intern.
Let me guess the cost difference.
ChatGPT, $20 a month, the intern. Would have cost $4,000 a month.
Yeah.
Your future, the future of young people. That's the casualty here, the first big loss.
And they lie about it. They never say, we're replacing you with machines. It's always wrapped in, like, corporate jargon.
Oh yeah, digital transformation, translation. We bought AI to do your job.
Restructuring, translation. Machines are cheaper than you are.
Optimization means you are being optimized right out of a job.
Efficiency gains means the AI doesn't need a lunch break or get sick.
Workforce rebalancing. That means humans out, algorithms in.
And my favorite, strategic realignment. Your position, deleted, gone. It's all just lies to cover the truth.
Although Sebastian Sieniakowski, the CEO of Klarna, he was actually honest for once.
What did he say?
He just flat out said AI is doing the work, so they don't need the people anymore. Most CEOs, though, they're cowards, hiding behind buzzwords while they wreck millions of lives.
And don't think your college degree is some kind of shield.
Nope. University of Pennsylvania and OpenAI, they worked together on this, found that educated, white-collar workers, people making up to $80,000 a year, they are the most likely to be replaced by AI.
So the safe office jobs, they're actually the main target right now.
Precisely. Financial analysts, lawyers, journalists, even radiologists, architects, teachers, accountants, real estate agents, they are next on the list, or already being cut.
Microsoft generates 30% of its code using AI now. 30%.
And then what happened?
Then they fired 40% of their software engineers. The very AI they told people was just an assistant, it became their replacement.
Unbelievable. Think about Jamal Henderson. Just finished law school.
Oh, yeah.
Staring at $300,000 in debt. Every firm says, sorry, not hiring junior associates way. AI does the document review now, the basic research.
So he trained for years, took on massive debt for a job that basically doesn't exist anymore.
Pretty much the partners, they still make millions. But the ladder to get there, it's been kicked away for the next generation.
I heard one tech exec admit off the record his company completely stopped hiring programmers with like 3 to 7 years of experience. Just stop.
Why?
AI coding tools handle all that work now. Another startup bragged one data scientist with AI does the work that used to take 75 people.
75? That's 74 families suddenly without income. Just gone.
You think you have time to adapt. You really don't.
You're wrong if you think that. Anthropic's latest AI, Claude Opus 4, it coded by itself, autonomously, for nearly 7 hours straight.
7 hours? Doing what?
Complex, high-level programming without a single human intervening, no breaks, no mistakes reported, and, crucially, no salary.
The timeline isn't years, it's this quarter, it's right now.
Right now, companies are putting hiring freezes in place, quietly, while they test the AI.
So what's next?
Next 3 months. Expect mass restructuring announcements. Next 6 months. Entire departments just deleted.
And after that?
Next year. We could easily see 15% unemployment for 2027. Half of current jobs. Significantly automated. Maybe not gone, but changed beyond recognition.
And by 2030.
Potentially 20% structural unemployment. That means jobs gone forever because of technology. The CEO literally admitted 50% of you are gone by 2030.
At Axios, the news company, managers now have to justify why AI can't do a job before they're allowed to hire a human for it.
Every single company is having this exact conversation internally. They're just not telling you yet.
So if you're under 30, you're basically facing an economic apocalypse.
Absolutely. Unemployment for recent grads, already 6%. That's higher than the national average.
And entry-level job postings.
Down 15% from last year. But AI job postings, up 400%.
Nearly half of Gen Z job seekers feel their degrees are worthless now because of AI.
And they're probably right. You spend 4 years, maybe $200,000, for an education aimed at jobs that are vanishing as you graduate, that career ladder your parents climbed. AI just sawed off the bottom rungs. There's no way up for many.
Think about Aaliyah Jackson, graduated Northwestern, $120,000 in student loans.
Ouch. How's the job hunt?
Applied to 500 jobs, got 3 interviews. They all want 5 years experience for entry level. Meanwhile, she sees companies bragging online about how AI does the work of whole teams. What path does she have?
I don't think location saves you. Living in a tech hub, nope. Rural America, forget it.
Silicon Valley, Wall Street, law firms, media outlets, factories, they're all getting hit and hit fast. MIT predicts 2 million manufacturing jobs gone by 2025.
2 million. And retail. 65% of those jobs face automation. 65% no one is safe.
The World Economic Forum surveyed employers globally. 41% plan to reduce their workforce in the next 5 years, specifically because of AI automation.
This isn't just a San Francisco problem or a New York problem. It's an everywhere problem. The accountant in Omaha, expendable. The insurance adjuster in Atlanta, expendable. The bank teller in Boise, expendable.
And the crazy part, the people building this tech, they're warning us. But they're not stopping, they're speeding up.
Dario Amodei makes millions building AI.
Yeah.
He openly admits it could cause 20% unemployment. He warns you, then goes back to building even more powerful AI. It's madness.
Sam Altman at OpenAI writes these long essays about the future. While his tech obliterates millions of jobs right now, he compares us, modern workers, to lamplighters.
Lamplighters, like we're just inevitably obsolete. And Elon Musk, he's running the Department of Government Efficiency with a mandate to cut federal jobs using AI.
They're not even hiding it. They're telling you straight up, you are being replaced. They are betting billions that machines are better, faster, cheaper than you. And guess what?
Yeah.
They're winning.
And behind every number, every layoff statistic, it's a human life being absolutely shattered. Terrence McBride, 47, IT for 20 years.
Yeah, the guy who trained his replacement.
His whole department. Gone in May. They made them train the AI for 3 months, literally teaching the machine how to steal their jobs. What is he supposed to tell his kids in college? How does he pay their tuition now?
Or Elena Rodriguez, 34 years old, content writer, talented.
What happened?
Friday, she had a job, a career she built. Monday, the company announced AI was taking over all content creation. 8 writers, just gone. They kept one person, to review what the AI writes. One person doing the work of 8, probably for the same pay.
And the solution they offer? Reskill.
Yeah, learn to work with AI. It's such a lie. It's designed to make you feel like it's your fault you're becoming obsolete.
It's impossible. By the time you learn a new skill, AI's already mastered it and moved on. You learn data science. AI does it better. You pivot to project management. AI coordinates tasks more efficiently. It learns 204/7, faster than any human possibly could. While you're sleeping, it's getting better at your job.
The World Economic Forum even says 77% of new AI jobs need master's degrees, 18% need PhDs.
But even that won't save you. We see lawyers with decades of experience being replaced, doctors having parts of their jobs automated away. The goalposts keep moving, and you just can't outrun the machine.
You'd think someone somewhere would hit the brakes, the government, unions, somebody.
But the whole system is rigged to reward this. Wall Street loves it. A company announces AI and layoffs, the stock price shoots up.
And the government, they enable it. No regulations, no safety nets, nothing.
Companies claim foreign competition forces their hand. Shareholders demand higher profits. The tech gets better every single day. And workers, we're divided. There's no unified resistance.
Every Fortune 500 company right now has an AI transformation plan.
Yeah.
Every single one. It's not if they'll replace you. It's just which quarter does the axe fall.
And this mass unemployment, it's not just about money or the economy. It's a social catastrophe waiting to happen.
What happens when 20% of the country can't find work? Maybe more. When that basic deal, work hard, get ahead, just becomes a total lie for most people.
You're looking at mental health crises like we've never seen. Families breaking down, political extremism exploding, social unrest becoming the norm.
An economic depression, an education system churning out graduates for jobs that are already gone.
We're building a society with a tiny elite who own the machines, and, well, everyone else fighting for the scraps. It's just trying to survive. That's not some sci-fi movie plot. That is literally next quarter's earnings report.
They aren't just taking your job, they're stealing your future. They're stealing your children's future. They're undermining the whole idea of human purpose, of dignity through work.
Imagine trying to explain to your kids why they bothered going to college, why they took on all that debt, for jobs that simply don't exist anymore.
The machine that is going to replace you, it's getting smarter every second. The CEO planning to fire you, they're running the numbers right now. That email announcing your department's restructuring, it's probably already drafted, waiting. Your job could be gone by Friday.
And AHRI, the American Human Rights Initiative Foundation, they're literally the only ones systematically documenting these AI massacres. They're fighting for universal basic income, for some kind of safety net.
You need to go to AmericanHumanRightsInitiativeFoundation.org now, before your job disappears.
Seriously, donate if you can. It's givebutter.com/3EC53XCAO. Or, frankly, we are all completely screwed. There's no other way to put it.
Think about those people we mentioned. Priya Nambiar, learning to code, even though she knows AI codes better. Deshaun Williams, Driving for Uber, knowing self-driving cars are coming. Magdalena Kowalski, selling real estate, watching AI take over virtual tours and analysis.
They're all living on borrowed time. And so are you. The choice to do something, to push back, to demand action, it's yours. But you have to choose fast. The machines, they definitely aren't waiting.